Robbins Financial Credit Union provides you with lots of tools to manage your digital banking. In this video, we'll show you how to update your account information and how to send messages to a Robbins financial representative. You can update your login credentials through digital banking. Just log into your account and select Self-Service options from the menu. Then tap Security Preferences and Change Login ID. Next, you type in your new login ID. It should be something that you don't use for any other website. It should also be a blend of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Finally, you will click Save New Login ID to confirm your new credentials. Whenever you need to, you can update your address and contact information connected to your Robbins financial account. Here's how. Log into your account and select Self-Service options from the menu. Then tap Contact Preferences. This is where you can edit and update your contact information. You can also choose your contact preferences here. Once you're done making changes, you will select Submit. If you have questions about your account, you can message a representative from Robbins Financial using digital banking. Here's how. Log into your account and select Messages from the menu. A new screen will appear that shows a list of conversations and an area for you to compose a new message. Just tap Create a New Message or the new conversation icon. You can select which department should receive your message. Once you've typed up your message, just hit Send. It's just that easy with digital banking from Robbins Financial Credit Union. Thanks for watching. For more information, call, click, or visit any of our branch locations.